Hi, I'm Sean, a self-admitted total novice to archery. I have shot a modern recurve bow probably 7 or 8 times in my entire life. I've never handled a compound, and I have fired a traditional bow maybe 4 times ever. However, I am an avid reader and researcher on things I'm passionate about. I recently discovered the book Saracen Archery in a still frame of another archery video. I tracked that book down, but unfortunately hard copies of it are incredibly expensive. But I was able to find a PDF of it online. And I devoured that book in about 2 days, and I have been fascinated by historical archery ever since. For those who don't know the book, it was published in England in 1970 by way of translating manuscripts in Arabic written in 1368 CE by a master Mameluke archer named Tebukha. Now, I'm sorry if my pronunciation of both of those was terrible, but I was so inspired by that book, I wrote a guide to learning archery step by step according to the methods recommended for novices contained within the book itself. This video and the others to follow are intended as brief companions to the guide for those visual learners out there, and they will also serve as a real-time journey of my progress through learning Mameluke archery. I intend to find out firsthand whether or not the methods described in Saracen Archery, taken in isolation, could actually bring someone up from, say, a total novice like myself to at least, we'll say, respectably proficient. Now, there may be significant lag between videos because I intend to only make the next in the series when I feel I've gotten the current concepts down pretty well. For those following along with the videos, I'm going to assume you're also following along with the guide, so I'm going to do my best not to duplicate too much of that information here. It is currently September 2018, and I've gotten my hands on most all of the gear needed to start learning Tebukha's way. I'm going to end this video here in order to break the videos up so that they can be organized into the topics a bit better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you come along for the rest of the journey, and I hope you also get a lot out of it. Thanks very much again, and let's get to it.